Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Quikink to Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, if you have an Odoo website and you wish to do print-on-demand merchandise through Quikink, you can configure them relatively easily. Sometimes you might be having a bit of trouble with it, but it should be relatively easy since on Quikink you can get your own API key and then you can manage that API key through Odoo, and then you can go into your inventory or point of sale and set up the products. But first, what you're going to need to do, go to Quikink and grab your API key, and once you have that, you're going to go into Odoo and go into the settings of the database that you want. Then you're going to scroll down until you get to manage API keys right over here. As you can see, API keys allow your users to access Odoo with external tools, so you can just go into manage API keys and you can very easily just add the API key over here. As you can see, it's the listing. You can insert views and insert links here. And actually, I'm not really sure if this is even where you need to add that API key, but you should be able to add the API key somewhere here. And if it's not already active, you should activate developer mode, since that might solve some issues you might come across. But pretty much once you have the API key, enter it, and then you can just easily go into point of sale and start adding your new products. And those products will be directly tied to Quikink. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.